Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Kuwait International Airport application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the flights button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then just look for the find flight status section and click on the search bar and just enter any city or airline or the flight number, and once you did that, here you will find the details of the plane. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.